everyone, welcome back to my knitting adventure. Today I'm going to show you all how to purl so you can start knitting your first work. Okay, so let's go for it. Let's start. So this is the knit side and this is the purl side. As you can see, there are small pearls. Okay. So to knit a pearl, you grab your yarn again with your hands. You move the yarn on the front side of the work. First stitch, I usually don't knit it. It looks nicer that way, so I'm just gonna put it on the other side without knitting it. And now I'm gonna go inside the stitch from the front side but like in a parallel way with the right stitch needle, like so. Okay, so it's parallel, not through the inside like the knit. From the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, wrap the yarn around the needle and take it off the loop. Now move our work to the edge of the needle, take out the stitch and leave it on the other side. Okay, wrap around, take it out. So this is the purl stitch, okay? By doing the purl stitch on this side, we're creating automatically a knit stitch on the nice side, the good side, the one that we're going to use. So you've got 2 rows now, and it's like a little V again. Now we're moving to the other side, the good side, the good and the bad side. And I'm going to continue knitting because you are on the knit side. Okay, so take out the first one and knit. Makes a nice set. I'm gonna show you another way to make a nice set on another video. Now we're going to the bad side, the purl side. Okay. Take out the first without knitting and do a purl. Insert the needle like so, wrap around, pull it through the loop to the other needle, and that's it. Purl, 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 and purl until you reach the end of your work, and you work the last stitch as well. Oh, we've got 3 rows already. See guys, it's very easy. You already know how to knit. You can make a scarf now. And that concludes our knitting session for today. I trust you found mastering the knit and purl stitches as enjoyable as I did. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep those needles clicking. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more knitting tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy knitting! Bye for now!